Now we need to create this heading first. So in the first place, we are getting back to div class, this wrap accordion, and just beneath it, all we are going to do is to produce this h3 tag, and we will be naming it as operating process. If we now just get back to our project and reload, and we can see that this operating process heading is now visible into our web page. This is the look of this heading, so that is what we need to rectify here. So let's get back to our project, and we have created this h3 tag just below this container fluid wrap accordion. So we will be copying it first, and we are getting back to custom style sheet.css. Look for it. There it goes. Class name first, and then we'll be using this general tag h3 that we have to customize. So we will be providing the background color here. Let's get back to GIMP, and here pick this color up. This is the color. Choose it. This is the color code. Copy this thing. Come back. Provide a hashtag, and there it goes. We are going to create a padding. And another thing, we can see that here comes a box shadow. So these are the things, those are needed to be rectified. Box shadow. And another thing, we need to provide a text alignment of center. So let's get back to our project now and reload. And we can see that it has been created over here. So there's absolutely no problem with it. And let's choose this color part here. This is the color of it. This is the color. So here goes the color. We need to copy this color code too. We need to provide another text shadow here. So here comes the text shadow part. There it goes. This is the text shadow color. Here comes the color code. Reload, and there it goes. Create all those blocks of elements that will be using this installed font awesome icons. Have a look into our template. We can see that there are 4 individual blocks with these font awesome icons inside. So let's create those blocks first. Now if we just get back to index.html, div class call sm3, and inside we have used this font awesome icon. If we use another div over here, for say div class so we have created another div with the name as box holder. Copy this in every instances and replace this text with this div. There it goes. I think we should toggle our soft wrap view, so that is why we are getting back to view, and here we are clicking on to this toggle soft wrap. Now we are going to replace this with the same. So we have replaced all those text elements with this font awesome icons installed and with another div that we have created here. All we are now going to do, we are going to reload, and we can see that all those things are right into track, right into position. Now we need to modify all those things, this box holder div and the font awesome class that has been used here. So that is why we are going to copy this box holder. We are getting back to custom style sheet, and we are pasting it inside. Now let's get back to GIMP, and here we can see that this is the box, these individual boxes, those will be holding this particular font awesome icon, and here comes the caption of it, member to nominate potential candidates. So this sort of things, all those things are practically some captions down here. So we need to place them all into this single box holder of each individual segments of each individual tab lists. So we are now going to choose this color. There it goes. This is the color code. We are now stating the background color. Reload and see whether they are proper in action or not. Yes, they are proper in action. We are providing a margin bottom of 10 pixels. Now we need to increase this size, the size of this particular font awesome icons, those are being used here. We need to change all those font awesome icons into the places wherever needed. If we get back to index.html, we can see that this is the box holder class, and this I class is appearing. All those font awesome icons, those are practically appearing into this box holder. And this tag I, this is practically used in case of using those font awesome icons. So we need to customize this font awesome icon tag, which comes directly beneath this box holder block element. Custom style sheet, and here, so in the first place we are increasing the font size here, which should be 5 em or make it 6 or 7 em, whichever is applicable. In the second case, we need to change all those colors. So that is why we are getting back to GIMP, and we will have to see the color combination here. This is the color. It's pure white. No, it is not pure white. Copy this color code. Let's get back to our project and reload. And we can see that those things are now in action. Those things are now in position. We need to adjust the text alignment center. We need to provide a particular padding here, and we need to provide another text shadow. Sorry. Okay, now this text shadow property is working, but we need to check for this padding 10 pix condition. Sorry, we have provided it into the wrong place. Always provide this padding thing into the parent div under which all those children elements are appearing. So we have to paste it into this box holder, not into this box holder I. And another thing, we need to increase this padding part to make it visible to every all. And the same thing goes for this text align center. And here it comes. We need to change all these font class icons here. This is the first case. This is the second case. Here comes the I class here. Copy this code. Get back into your project. And here into this index.html. This is the second case. We need to change this I class. In the third case, we will be using this font awesome icons. So this one should be copied. Okay, the last one should be changed again. And there it goes, the anchor item here. We have to copy it and we have to paste it over here. There it goes. And another thing, where is the div class clear fix option here? This is the last div of this call SM3 series. So we need to paste it here. In the same fashion, we need to use that div class clear fix option to restrict the floating of the divs into their sides with the usage of clear both option. So this is the exact purpose that is served with this class. This is the first one, call SM3, the second one, call SM3, the third one, and the fourth one. So just beneath this fourth one, we need to use this clear fix option too.